In today's video, we will be discussing a hypothetical developmental pathway that leads to the formation of spikes in certain cells of the ectoderm of a spiny beetle. An arrow in a developmental pathway represents the progression of events from one step to the next, while a T-bar represents the inhibition of events. To begin, let's observe the following mechanism. S activates P activates I, however I will inhibit K before K can activate E. E then activates spikes. In this mechanism, we have the production of spikes. But what will happen to the production of spikes if a mutation occurs? Let's say we have a mutation involving the P gene. If the P gene is removed, S has nothing to activate, and the I gene will not be produced. Therefore, nothing will inhibit K. So K will stop E from producing spikes. If we no longer have P, we have no spikes. In mutant strains that create no spikes, the cell will be smooth. Now let's observe a mutation involving the I gene. If I is removed, S is still able to activate P. The K will present since it is not inhibited by I. Therefore, the K gene will inhibit E, which will result in the spikes not being produced. If we no longer have I, we have no spikes and the cells will be smooth. Moving on, let's observe a mutation involving two genes, I and E. S will continue to activate or stimulate P. The P will not have anything to stimulate since I is gone. However, since I is gone, there is nothing to inhibit K, and since E is gone, the spike production is inhibited. If we no longer have I and E, we once again have no spikes. Lastly, let's remove another two genes, S and K. Since S is gone, there is nothing to activate P or I. However, there is nothing to inhibit E, so spikes can be produced. If we no longer have S and K, we have spikes. As seen in the video, not all cells of the ectoderm will have spikes. From an ecological standpoint, spikes are not advantageous in every region of the beetle's body. While spikes on the outer coat of the beetle can be advantageous for protection against predators, spikes on the underbelly of beetles will not be necessary since attacks from this area are uncommon.